Hey, this is Kevin, Big Bear Performance. I want to talk about this custom high-performance Harley-Davidson V-twin for a minute. As you can see, this is modeled after an FXR model that Harley-Davidson made from 1984 up to the 1990 year 2000 with a break in between. But this is the modeled after that same frame. I actually built this frame by hand, but we did you may notice some changes. This particular frame, like I said, was built by Harley-Davidson with Evolution drivetrain in it, which is a particular motor that they built from 84 to 99. This particular bike has a year 2016 touring model Bagger transmission in it, as well as a 2016 and up twin cam motor in it, which was built all the way up until 2016. So with that being said, that's the basics of it. So we had to modify the frame. We also had to figure out the geometry in the rear because we were using a Bagger transmission. We changed the geometry in the rear to get maximum ground clearance from this bike. We also went ahead and designed the triple trees for this bike to run with an FGR 301 fork from Öhlins, which was originally designed by Öhlins for Ducati. It has a 49mm lower tube, 57-58mm upper tube, with fork extensions that I designed for this so we could get a 35-inch front end on it. Why would we want to do that? Ground clearance. So we did drop trees as well as fork extensions, 3-inch fork extensions. So once we did that, we wanted to make sure that this bike was going to perform at 150 miles an hour plus. So we went ahead and I used a 2017 Dyna wiring harness. That's a CAN buzz system that Harley-Davidson designed back in 2008 and up. This is 2017 with ABS sensors and an ABS unit, with the 2017 Dyna gauges, fuel pump and gas tank being modified to fit this frame. So tremendous amount of R&D went into this bike, and it's all one-off, and a tremendous amount of time and energy went into this bike, and machining and skill sets went into this. Figuring out spring rates, valving, along with all the other things that I mentioned as far as chassis fitment for the drivetrain and everything else. So it's one hell of a performing V-twin. This is something that you'll cruise down a freeway, and if you wanted to run 140 or 50 miles an hour, you can. You can take it and then put it into the canyon and tear ass on it. So it's a whole lot of fun. That's why it was designed and built, was that you can sit upright on the bike with the big fairing and actually ride the bike 800,000 miles a day, or go and race it in a canyon and just have a shit ton of fun with it. And that was the purpose of this bike.